So I've taken 5 pouches or bunches of steel wool, and basically what I've done with this is I've just kind of pulled it apart and made it into like a ball. And so I've got 3 clumps here basically interconnected now. So now that it's all unfrayed, you can see it's quite a nasty mess if you were to try to dig or chew through here. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to come under here, and you can see I've already got some back there, and I'm going to wedge this up. I'm going to shove this into that hole. I want that nice and so you can see I've got a pretty nice nest up in there. And it's not going to be able to, even if it gets past the metal, it's not going to be able to chew very easily through there. That's kind of the point.